In this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok camera quality Android. Firstly, I need to mention that there is no difference between working on Android and working on iPhone. Right now, in the moment, I'm working on Android, but as I said before, it doesn't matter where you're working on, it just matters the process. The process is the same with the same simple sites. Go on your profile setup. Then, when you get here, go on the three dots on your right upper side, select Settings and Privacy, and when you get right here, you need to scroll down and take a look on Cake and Cellular Data, which is Data Saver. Go click on that selection, and from here, as you can see, this button is turned on, and if you want to take over and try to fix that TikTok camera quality, you need to turn it off, and then you need to restart the application. Also, if you don't have the latest version of TikTok, you need to get it on update on your Play Store. Yeah, of course, getting up for the Play Protect session, and then you're done.